Good afternoon, sir. This is Divyanshi. I am studying UKG in our Shanti Nikita English Medium School, Gorinta. Today I will explain about transport and safety. First, land transport. Auto run by road, bus, auto run by road, car run by road, car run by road, scooty run by road, bus run by road, and train run by track. Water transport, ship, ship run by water. Air transport, helicopter flies in air. Thank you, sir.